Woodworking is a great hobby, but it's important to stay safe while you're working. Wood dust can be harmful to your lungs, so it's important to wear a respirator when you're sanding, sawing, or routing wood. But with so many different respirators on the market, how do you know which one is right for you? In this video, we're going to review the best respirators for woodworking and help you choose the one that's right for your needs. So stay tuned, and let's get started. Number 1. 3M6502KL Half Facepiece Respirator. The 3M6502KL is NIOSH approved, backed by a federal government regulatory agency. One of the standout features of this respirator is its quick latch design. It's designed to make exhalation easier, keeping you cool and comfortable, even during intense activities. Another great feature is the low-profile design. It offers a wide field of view, making it compatible with welding and grinding shields. You get clear vision and protection in one package. Number 2. GVVS SPR457 Half Facepiece Respirator. The GVVS SPR457 is one of the lightest respirators on the market, weighing just 130 grams. It's also made from soft, hypoallergenic thermoplastic elastomer, so it's comfortable to wear for long periods of time. It has a unique low-profile filter that's designed to fit the contours of your face. The GVVS SPR457 uses pleated HEPA filters to reduce breathing resistance. It is NIOSH approved, which means it meets strict standards for safety and efficacy. Number 3. AirGearPro G500 Reusable Respirator. It's CE certified, ensuring that you have the highest level of safety during various tasks, from woodworking to demolition. One of the standout features is its dual filtration system. It's designed with Class A1P2 filtration to safeguard you against gases, vapors, and particles. It's a reusable mask that allows you to replace filters, extending the mask's lifespan and reducing its environmental impact. It's perfect for those long work sessions that won't leave you feeling tired or fatigued. Number 4. Parcil Distribution PD100 Full Face Respirator. One of the standout features of the PD100 is its dual-activated charcoal filtration system. These filters offer robust protection against various harmful substances. Whether you're dealing with chemical compounds or toxic fumes, this respirator has you covered. It comes with a full-face, impact-resistant lens, ensuring your eyes and face are well protected during your tasks. Number 5. KYFLZL Half Facepiece Reusable Respirator. One of the standout features of the KYFLZL respirator is its comfortable sealing. The high-quality silicone mixed materials ensure a snug fit, giving you peace of mind while working in potentially hazardous environments. The protection efficiency exceeds an impressive 99.97%, making it an ideal choice for various work settings. It comes with two 2097 filter cotton, ensuring you can tackle your tasks without frequent interruptions. Number 6. FANGNISN Reusable Half Facepiece Respirator. This FANGNISN respirator is made from high-grade silicone material, making it not only comfortable but also healthy for extended use. It can effectively block out a wide range of particles, including pollen, dust, lead paint, and even asbestos. It comes with two pairs of 2097 filter cottons, ensuring you have a long-lasting guard against harmful particles. And if you need to, you can replace the filters with 2091 or 6000 and 1 filter cartridges for added versatility. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped you choose the best respirator for woodworking. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful woodworking videos. Thanks again, and stay safe.